Hello everyone. Today I will show you how this armature will hold this chainsaw. First thing what I need to do is I choose the armature and I go to the pose mode. This is the bone will hold the chainsaw, not a 006 but 007. This is the specific bone. I go back to the object mode, then I choose the chainsaw. After that, I go to the add object constraint, child of target object is the armature, more specific is bone 007. What's happened? Now I need to rearrange the position. First, I arrange the rotation. Then I arrange the position. Okay, I think this will be okay. If we want to join the bond, use child of constraint, not combine or control J. Let's see what's happened. I try to rotate the 006 bond. Now the chainsaw follow the armature hand. More specific, no, that is all bond. Then more specific is 007 bond. I think we done. That's all what we need to do to make this object hold by the armature. I can cancel it anytime I want. The object not combined. Okay, I think that's all for now. That's I show you how to remove add object constraint if you don't want to hold anymore. Thank you very much for listening my lesson today. Please subscribe. Thank you.